But anything saying that we enter, whether Dogo enter soakAway, no, we don't do such a thing. He does not do such a thing. soakAway that there is shit inside. You can't go inside shit now.
Lẹ́sẹ̀ owú ó wá ń yọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ imú ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń jáde ń bẹ̀. So tẹ bá dẹ̀ ra aṣọ immediately dem ti rí òkú yẹn mo sọ pé this corpse láyé kò lè jẹ́ soakAway yìí.
lẹ́yìn tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ikú Dogo wáyé ní ilé ìjọsìn yìí, báwo ni ikú Dogo ṣe wáyé? àwọn ìbéèrè yìí ń sọ kúlúkúlú sáwọn èèyàn lọ́kàn. àwọn ilé ìjọsìn ni ó kú sínú inú soakAway. àwọn ẹbí Dogo dúró wípé n tó pa èèyàn àwọn kì í ṣe ikú lásán, wọ́n ní ejò lọ́wọ́ nú. tó àwọn dókítà ti gbégbésẹ̀ o látara àfàyègbà ìjọba àtàwọn agbófinró wípé ó yá tẹ̀síwájú. lónìí ẹbí Dogo wà lórí ètò pẹ̀lú mi o. bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo ní àlejò pàtàkì lóbìnrin. ìyá wa ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò. ok ó yá ẹ bèrè àwọn tẹ́ fẹ́ bèrè lọ́wọ́ Peter.
So I want you to explain in details to Nigerians. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell them who is Dogo to you.
Dogo is a brother to me. Been staying same house with Dogo since 2014. I've been with Dogo. So Dogo, everybody know Dogo in this community. He's not a troublesome person. Does not fight. Wherever there's issues that will cause to fight, Dogo will either he will try to settle that issue. If the issue passes his power, he will just find a way to go and leave that premises. And Dogo has been a kind of very good hustling person, and all his time, everything he's doing is for his children. He do take care of his children very well. He does not even like to see his children sitting down at home without going to school. Hungry, he does not even play with that concerning feeding of his children. Dogo is very responsible person. He's a plumber. Dogo is a plumber, and he has learned a welding work also. That's the first job that he learned. First handwork that he learned is a welder. But due to that, he doesn't have money to start his own business. To start the welding business, he decided to learn plumbing work. And that plumbing work, that is what he's doing since ever he came to Lagos. That's the job he has been doing.
Okay. So, what kind of job? Okay. Have you ever seen, but some people are saying Dogo always does his job in the night. Have you ever seen him evacuating soakAway in the night?
I happen to be following Dogo to works, and all the works we have been doing with Dogo, we have never did any work at night. So what people are saying that he's doing his job at night, I don't know. I never seen Dogo working at night before of such.
Okay, you told me something yesterday about the past jobs that Dogo has done. Can you please explain?
Yes, the past job Dogo has done. Let me just speak on the one he did, the one me and him did in the Saleh Church, where the incident happened. Actually, we did that job in the broad daylight. That one we cleaned. That was last year during their harvest, November last year. During their harvest, they called Dogo to come and clean their well. So Dogo now asked me to follow him. We went there in the morning. It was around 9 o'clock a.m. Around 9 o'clock a.m. we started that work, which our machine could not even work. The machine spoiled for us that day. Dogo had to go inside the well to be packing the water. I'm outside helping him to be bringing out the water. We did all those things that day. We finished everything. After then, another work that he did is to evacuate soakAway for them. which he evacuated the soakAway. That one I did not follow him. He evacuated the soakAway. He covered the slabs, everything. He put everything in order for them. So another work that I happened to join Dogo, we work for one Dr. Okwaku, is an Igbo man. I can't pronounce the name very well. That one, the job gave us a very tough time. We spent like 2 days tracing where the chambers are located. And as we get the chambers, that's when we start our own proper job, the way Dogo used to do it. But anything saying that we enter, whether Dogo enters soakAway, no, we don't do such a thing. He does not do such a thing. SoakAway, that there is shit inside. You can't go inside shit now. I said, what are you walking inside the soakAway? There's nothing. You can only be, well, once you get the chamber where it's blocked, then we have a plumber used to call it K-rod. We use that one and push whatever that blocks the chamber to the soakAway. So we don't have any business that saying that we go through the soakAway, we enter soakAway, and no, there's nothing like that. And you can ask any plumber. No plumber can ever enter a soakAway saying that he's trying to flush something. No, you can only flush it from the chamber down to the soakAway, but not from the soakAway to the chamber. No, it doesn't work at all.
Okay. You told me that before the incident, Dogo evacuated that soakAway 3 weeks to the time. How true is that?
Yes, of course. He evacuated the soakAway 3 weeks before this recent incident happened.
Okay. What kind of chemical does Dogo use to work with? What does he use?
Dogo normally use carbide and kerosene.
That's all.
That's
because
all.
some people are saying he normally use chemical to evacuate the soakAway.
That's the only thing that Dogo uses in evacuating soakAway.
What is it again? Kerosene and what?
Carbide.
Okay. Okay.
Normally carbide, panel beater, they always use that one on welding. They mix it inside their own welding chemicals. I don't know what they used to call their own chemical, but that carbide is what they use on welding. Panel beater normally use that one.
Okay. I read some people comment on Facebook, and they said Dogo was Okada rider in the day. How true is that? Does he ride Okada at all?
Dogo does not ride Okada at all. Dogo never rides Okada in Lagos.
Okay. Is he a smoker or a drunkard? Does he smoke or?
Dogo does not smoke. Does not take drugs. In terms of alcohol, Dogo do take, but when he has work at hand, Dogo does not take anything.
Mo fẹ́ sọ ọ̀rọ̀ much ní orí autopsy yẹn tí result yẹn bá ti dé ọ̀dọ̀ police káwọn ti rí lèmi lè wá sọ síta but mo fẹ́ sọ anything lórí ẹ̀fọ́ náà ẹ mọ̀ pé police kò tí dọ́dọ̀ òun rárá.
ẹ má jẹ́ ká lu pápẹ́ òfin. Ẹ má jẹ́ lu pápẹ́ òfin. Mo ti gbọ́.
Tó bá ti dọ́dọ̀ tiwọn ni máa sọ fún yín nǹkan tó jẹ́ but ní kò tí dọ́dọ̀ wọn yẹn ẹ mọ̀ dókítà ti wà ó kọ sọ fún wa so a lè máa sáré sọ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Ó yé mi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ó ṣàtọ̀ pé dókítà wa sọ pé there is a wound at the back of his head. There is a wound at the back of his head. Etí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń yọ jáde ń bẹ̀ ojú ẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń yọ jáde ń bẹ̀ ó wú ojú kan tẹ́ bá wo cup tí mo send sí yín ojú ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan báyìí which is the left ẹ̀ ó wú ó wá ń yọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ imú ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀jẹ̀ ń jáde ń bẹ̀. So tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ ra aṣọ immediately dem ti rí òkú yẹn mo sọ pé this corpse láyé kò lè jẹ́ soakAway yìí. Ẹ wá aṣọ tí Dogo wọ̀ ẹ wá aṣọ yẹn tó ṣe wá strangle tó tó ṣe wà strangle mọ́ lára ẹ mọ́ ní ọ̀dọ́ tàbá fẹ́ bá ní ọjà tó máa lọ aṣọ mọ́ wa lára tó máa fún mọ́ wa lára ẹ wá aṣọ yẹn tó ṣe rí. So ọbẹ̀ lèmi ti kọ́ mi ni pé Dogo family wọ́n lè má ní ẹni tó máa bá wọn gbèjà yìí. So lèmi ṣe kọ́ mi, though I don't have a platform to cry for justice, but mo ní agbára.
any platform ṣé lórí wo ti fi tẹ wá orí platform lẹ wà mà. ṣe rí orí eléyìí tẹ orí platform tẹ wá ẹ pè mí lóru màá dá I will respond. ṣé o ti yẹn sìn gbogbo nǹkan táwọn kan sandwich ń bí ìdájọ́ òdodo ni. Justice, we stand for the truth and that is what we symbolize. So bẹ́ẹ̀ ni platform yẹn is not yẹn o kì í platform lẹ́wà yìí so ẹ máa sọ̀rọ̀ yín lọ máa jẹ́ kí n máa gbọ́rọ̀ yín.
So mo rò pé this autopsy a gbọ́dọ̀ mójútó because tí nǹkan bá ti lè wọ́ wá nínú autopsy yẹn that's the end. Ọkọ̀ máa fi ìyà jẹ aláìṣẹ̀gbè lèmi ṣe gba personal doctor fún Dogo family because wọn ò nágbára they are powerless wọn ò ní voice rárá they are the ìgbà tí mo come in all were at the verge of giving up ọ̀tẹ̀ tí ń sọ fún police pé kó release òkú àwọn fẹ́ lọ sí sọ pé sí kíni ẹ lè sí anything ẹ lè sí we need to do autopsy and tí that máa wò from
you are a God sent
the end
man.
of this month autopsy yẹn jáde result jáde.